Hey guys, welcome back to my show. If you stick around, you're gonna see exactly how I did my own canopy bed for under $100. If I could do it, you could do it. So let's go. First things first, I went to get my PVC pipes because that's what I use for the project. I'll include the do-it-yourself tutorial that I used. Yay! I need a car wash. Don't mind.
I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole.
It's sticking out the window a little bit, but we're gonna be alright because I'm gonna make it work like I do everything else. And I'm hurry up, go home. So it started raining, and that's okay because I couldn't possibly be upset when I've been asking for rain every single day because I'm working on another project. PVC pipes got a little bit of water in it. I really don't care. So I'm gonna spray paint my ladder as well after it gets clean naturally by the rain. Yeah. So I'm about to go ahead and get my pieces, spray paint it. I used 3 different types because I wanted them layered and I wanted it unique, and I was undecided, so those are the reasons why I used all 3 of these, and I really like how it turned out. I'll show you a little bit up close. Very, very pretty. It's glittery and it's real pretty. Unloading all of my sandbags for my full project. I have to do some leveling for my backyard, so I'm just taking everything out of my truck.
You should get bouquets. Nothing worse than having things you ain't get to say. Love. Just continue to fuck with this great
So remember the extra stop I made? It was to pick up these. Something told me to check Walmart for my curtains, whatever you want to call them, drapes. This is what it is. I love these colors. They match everything in my room. These white and blue were like $5 each. I spent less than $100 on everything I needed. Everything. There is not a lot of white in my room, but it still goes together. I picked it because gold was unavailable, and as you can see, it's perfect. Lights on. I will put a disclaimer out there. This is much faster with help from another person, but I'm the type of person that doesn't like to wait. I've said that before. If you're subscribed, you already know my style. Get it done, make it fun. I like working by myself anyway. I'm a control freak. So if I'm by myself, I can control whatever I want, right? Even the music. You feel me?
Then you croon a song to me on your guitar.
I strategically placed my blue drapes in the front of the bed because I already have that blue color on the side coming from my curtains, and I like to mix it up. I also get the most beautiful sunlight through the windows in the morning, shine through, so I thought white on the sides would be cool for that. The sun loves us. I only purchased 2 feet. The ones by my headboard you can't see. Climb up there and get in it, girl. I am. I created my own lantern. I'll include my link for do-it-yourself cloud video because it's the same method. I just didn't put any cloud material or fabric on the outside of it, and I combined more than one. Lights off. And the link for the projector I have is also in that video, so that will definitely be of use. I can tie these up in so many different ways, but I'm about to make it real pretty for the final reveal. You guys just don't know how long I've fantasized about having a canopy bed and waking up with beautiful fabric hanging down on the sides, making me feel like the queen that I am for less than $100. Now, if you guys want to get fancy, you know how to do that. But this is for money savers and do-it-yourselfers. That made me think of something. I can make up words whenever I want. This is my show. And I am so glad you are here. I love you.
I love you too.
Say, aw. There are so many types of canopy overheads, but I needed mine open at the top because I have ceiling fans and I still want to use them. I'm loving how it turned out. Loving it flat out. With my do-it-yourself cloud project, that pack of lanterns I got had about 20 in there, so I'm gonna put some more on the other side of the bed too and get another smart bulb. So that's another reason why my link will be included for that information. This is the small space I was talking about earlier for my yoni box to be enclosed kind of, and I could feel special and like I have some privacy if I want to sit right there. Sometimes I sit near my couch, it doesn't matter. Welcome to my Diana Ross headquarters. Glitter everywhere, stars everywhere, my grandma's influence and touch everywhere, Simone vibes everywhere, 70s vibe, 80s child. That's how I can explain that. I know a lot of women who would wait for a guy to do something for them, and that's no problem. But for me, it's just not who I am. Maybe one day I'll write a song and sing it and perform it with my guitar for my subscribers because I love you guys so much. You might not understand, but I'm literally in heaven right now. I crawled in just like a little girl. Y'all seen Belly? Light skin Keisha. It is morning. Let's see the big reveal. It wasn't a dream. I'm fully aware from the way I feel that my house is my happy place, but my bedroom takes it to like level 10. All of my dreams come true right here.
What dreams?
Every beautiful idea that my mind could possibly imagine, those dreams. If you want to iron your curtains, that's up to you. I'll let mine naturally fall out after hanging over time. I got my lanterns up on the other side. I didn't put the smart bulb in yet. I'm waiting for it to arrive. I don't know what percentage to rank this for sturdiness. I'll say about 75%, but if you've worked with PVC before, you already know how that is. But long story short, my room is not for kids running around. So sit your butt down, come on in, and relax. If you have made it to this point, I appreciate you. I'm glad you took the time to watch me do another project. I can't wait for the next one.
Toadstool sandwich. with arsenic sauce.
Heartwork House is out, baby. You know I love you. Peace.